then the greater angle is opposite the greater side and converse. We shall understand this converse afterwards. First of all, we will understand the main statement, that is, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the greater angle is opposite the greater side. Let us consider a triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, all the sides AB, BC and AC are of different measurements. So the angles are also, these three angles are also of different measurement. Angle A, angle B and angle C, all these three angles are of different measurement. Then in triangle ABC, as per the statement, if two sides are unequal, let us consider that AB is not equal to AC. These two sides become unequal. Then the greater angle is opposite the greater side. In triangle ABC, between these two sides AB and AC, we can say that AC is greater than AB. As per this statement, the greater angle is opposite the greater side. AC is greater and opposite angle of AC is angle ABC. This will also be greater than opposite angle of AB, that is angle ACB. This is Roman number 1. Now, if we consider AB and BC, this is also not equal. AB is not equal to BC. In this, we are saying that BC is greater than AB. Then opposite angle of BC is ACB. ACB will also be greater than opposite angle of BC. Opposite angle of BC is angle BAC. This angle will be greater than opposite angle of AB, that is angle ACB. It means this angle is greater than this angle. Now, one more condition we see in this. This time we take BC is not equal to AC, and we are saying that BC is greater than AC. Then opposite angle of BC, that is angle BAC, is greater than opposite angle of AC, that is angle ABC. So from this explanation, if we are asked to arrange the angles in ascending or descending order, then we can arrange determining the length of those three different sides. Following this, that greater side will have the greater angle opposite of it. In these two sides, AC is greater, so opposite angle of AC is ABC. Angle ABC will also be greater than angle ACB, where ACB is the opposite angle of AB. In this Roman number 2, BC is greater than AB. Then opposite angle of BC, that is angle BAC, will also be greater than opposite angle of AB, that is angle ACB. Roman number 3, if BC is greater than AC, then opposite angle of BC, that is angle BAC, will also be greater than opposite angle of AC, that is angle ABC. Now we shall understand the converse of this statement. We write the statement for the converse. Converse of this statement will be, if two angles of a triangle are unequal, then the greater angle then the greater side is opposite the greater angle. I consider the same triangle ABC, and in this triangle, if two angles of a triangle are unequal, let us consider angle A or angle B. Angle B is not equal to angle C. Two angles of a triangle are unequal, angle B is not equal to angle C. Then the greater side is opposite the greater angle. In these two angles, angle B and angle C, we will determine that angle B is greater than angle C. Then opposite side of angle B is AC, will be greater than opposite side of angle C is side AB. Here I have written single letter name of the angle. You can write three letter name also. Now Roman number 2. Angle A is not equal to angle C. In this we see angle A is greater than angle C. Then opposite side of angle A, that is BC, will be greater than opposite side of angle C, that is AB. And Roman number 3. Angle A is not equal to angle B. In this we see angle A is greater than angle B. So opposite side of angle A, that is BC, is greater than opposite side of angle B, that is AC. This became the converse of this statement. So my dear students, in class 9, you must follow the syllabus strictly, because the questions will be asked from those topics given in the syllabus. And one more thing, you are getting few questions as homework. You must solve those questions and submit on my WhatsApp.